But let's shift gears then and talk about the connect with the corporate voice. The management of Blue Star is with us. Mr. B. Thiagarajan is here to talk about the plans to raise market share, the easing commodity prices, as well as their pricing strategy going forward. Well, great to have you on board now. I want to just talk about the overall sector. The recent analyst notes seem to suggest that there is some sustained demand weakness across the durable space. So what has been your experience of late, and what is the outlook on demand?
Good morning. Thank you for talking to me. While there is some concern with regard to consumer durable segment witnessing lesser demand than usual, air conditioner sales is picking up. In fact, it has picked up very well in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. With the temperatures going up, I expect all across the country the demand should be much higher than last year. As far as the inventory is concerned, the old inventory all got liquidated in the month of December itself. So we are looking forward to opening up of other markets as the temperatures soar up.
So with the summer season now around the corner, companies have started launching new products across categories. Tell us about your new product launches and what kind of volume offtake do you expect?
We have launched around 75 new models which are available at various price points. The star of the complete range is a super energy efficient product which has a EER of 5.30, which means it consumes somewhere around 780 watts. We have also launched a air conditioner cum air purifier. In other words, as we had promised in the past, we have integrated both the products together at a nominal price increase of around 10%. It will eliminate the use of a floor standing air purifier. So that is the second innovation. Third innovation is, given the fact that there are quite a few first time buyers and more than 65% of the market being tier 3, 4, 5 towns, affordable premium products, quite a few have been launched. The energy efficiency table is going to change on 1st January 2020. So therefore, this particular range should cater till the end of this calendar year.
Now, channel checks are suggesting that headline product pricing has seen a reduction in certain categories. Do you expect these pressures to continue? Are you looking at any price revisions?
We are not looking at any price revisions. As you may recall, we had increased the prices on January 1 itself. So whether the full price will get passed on or not depends on the summer season. As of now, there is no concern with regard to the price. On the other hand, the exchange rate is very attractive at this point of time. Commodity prices are stable. We do not have the baggage of old inventory anymore. So therefore, we have to wait and watch how the summer season pans out. If we were to go by the indications of Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, I think we are likely to have a good summer. So you asked me what is the outlook? I think the whole financial year we expect the market to grow by around 10%. We are aiming 15% growth. If you take the standalone summer season alone, I think the market should grow at least to 20%. As of now, our goal is 25% growth. We are all set for that.
You sound fairly optimistic then. So what about your plans to expand in the water purifier market? How much headway have you made here so far in terms of your market share? And more importantly, what kind of return ratios can we see?
To the first part of your question, I am cautiously optimistic. I am only going by the weather forecast and what is happening at quite a few parts of the country. Even interior Maharashtra is very hot at this point of time. And also, I don't think 2 consecutive years you will see bad summer. At least 40 years of my career, I have not come across that situation. That gives me some confidence. As far as water purifiers is concerned, this year we should break even. That is our goal. In that connection, we will be augmenting the sales force very well, in the sense our room air conditioners team also is likely to sell the water purifiers in key markets across the country. And we have the product range complete now. Distribution reach is good, and it is a monsoon product. So post summer, this is the peak season for water purifiers happens. So this year may be a break-even year. If that happens, we will be very happy, because it's a 3rd year break-even. We have great faith in this product category. It is likely to do well, and one day this will be equivalent to room air conditioner, because the penetration of this product is also very low in the country. So in terms of our portfolio, the room air conditioners, followed by refrigeration products like deep freezers, which are doing extremely well, and then the water purifiers should take off. So the next 5 years, if you look at it, these 3 categories are likely to be contributing significantly to our top line as well as bottom line.
You've sounded very optimistic about growth. Let's also talk about margins and, what kind of picture you're seeing there, as well as, market share going forward. I mean, you've discussed it for particular segments, but, when it comes to the overall share of the pie as well, so just a sense of guidance going forward.
So in room air conditioner category, our market share is currently 12.8. We have the modest goal of reaching 13.5. In this particular category, I am repeating, it all depends on how the summer season will be. For example, in East it has been raining. I am hoping North will have good summer in the coming months. So it is purely dependent on the summer season. Commodity prices or the exchange rate is under control, therefore we should bounce back to the margins of FY 17-18 levels. Okay. As far as water purifier is concerned, it is a break-even year. Commercial refrigeration products, we have done well in FY 19. We will continue to do well in FY 20. It is driven by ice cream segment and processed food segment. Electromechanical projects, I think post summer or the election season, you will have the major projects order finalization should begin to happen. We will be closing the year on a good note of a significant amount of order backlog. I think that business also should be progressing. The challenges will continue to be there. Say for example, automobile sector, there is a slowdown, and actually within 8 to 12 months of time, consumer durable will catch up with that slowdown. Lead indicator is automobile sector. And what kind of government formation will be there, how the economy will pan out will determine the rest of the year. So I don't want to write off a financial year even before it has commenced. So it is right to be cautiously optimistic. That's where I am.
All right, thanks so much for joining us today and running us through some of those interesting trends that we can watch out for going ahead as well, and how the entire demand scenario is shaping up. Mr. Thiagarajan, great chatting with you on the outlook for Blue Star.